Hi there. This workflow begins manually when you click Execute Workflow. This step is especially useful for initial testing, pilot runs, or when you want full control before turning the system into an automated schedule. It ensures transparency and lets you verify outcomes step by step. Once the workflow starts, we load all configuration properties in one place. This includes sheet references, score thresholds, Slack channel IDs, batch sizing, and default fallbacks. Next, we fetch all FAQ entries directly from Google Sheets. We extract the question text, the answer content, and any supporting fields. This creates a raw dataset of items that require evaluation. Before proceeding, we validate and clean the FAQ rows. We remove blank rows, ensure required fields exist, normalize casing, trim unnecessary symbols, and attach run level metadata. What we are left with is clean, ready to process FAQ content. Then each FAQ is sent to GPT-4o Mini for evaluation. The AI reviews clarity, structure, and correctness and assigns a score between 0 and 10. Once the AI responses arrive, we parse and enrich them. We fix malformed JSON, extract values safely, assign severity levels, and add timestamps. Low scoring items automatically receive a flag so they can be treated as priority content. After parsing, each FAQ evaluation is saved in the results sheet. We store the score, analysis, strengths, recommended fixes, severity, and timestamp. Over time, this sheet becomes the single record of FAQ quality improvements. We now generate an aggregated summary for the entire batch. This summary includes the average score, distribution across severity tiers, pass percentage, and even highlights the weakest FAQs that need rewriting or clarification. To maintain historical visibility, this summary is logged into a dedicated history sheet. This allows comparison across different runs and helps track quality improvement cycles over weeks or months. At this point, the system checks if alerts are needed. If critical severity FAQs exist, a notification event is triggered, otherwise, the run completes silently. When alerts are required, a detailed Slack message is sent to the designated channel. Finally, we generate a polished completion summary with key highlights, total FAQs evaluated, average score, pass rate, and next steps messaging. This summary is sent via email to designated recipients along with sheet links, evaluation timestamp, and confirmation of workflow completion. And with that, your full evaluation cycle is complete, clean, traceable, centralized, and ready for decision making.